On November 11, 2023, officers from the West Side Patrol Division initiated a traffic stop after identifying a stolen vehicle. The 19-year-old suspect attempted to flee at high speed but crashed into multiple vehicles, immobilizing the stolen vehicle on the main lanes of Southwest Freeway.
As Officer Gibson arrives on scene, he orders the suspect to stay in his car. However, this made the suspect agitated, and he shoots the officer in the leg. More shots were fired between the suspect and the officers as Gibson rolled around unable to stand. In this angle, we can see how it all happened from Officer Trujillo's body cam.
We need multiple units out here. The entire freeway's gonna be closed. Penalty, stop. Hey! Watch out! Crossfire! Crossfire! Hey!
As soon as he got out, the suspect fired shots immediately.
Hey! He's in the car! In the car! Shots fired! Shots fired! Hey!
The officer runs to Gibson and helps get him to safety.
Move! Hey, get him! Get him! Help me pull him! Help me pull him! Help me pull him!
Come on, you're okay, bro.
Officer down! Officer down! Officer down!
Okay. Over here. Over here. Right here. You're okay, bro. You're okay. Breathe. Put your gun down.
Put your gun down.
You're okay. You're gonna be all right.
Where you at? Where you at?
Listen,
Where you at?
you're gonna be okay, bro. Relax. Relax. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Just look at me. Look at me the whole time.
Officer Trujillo uses a tourniquet to stop Officer Gibson's leg from bleeding.
Look at me.
Now we have another angle, showing the incident from Officer Gangler's body cam.
Oh shit. 5-3 cracked up. Major. Where at? 59-16.
Get on the ground! Let me see him!
Just when Officer Gangler was about to reach the suspect's vehicle, shots were fired which led him to take cover.
Stay down, man. Stay down. Roll HFD. We got an officer down. Move. Guys, I need help up here.
Up here! You're okay, bro! You're okay, breathe! What's your gun down? I got one foot right down. Still moving, still moving.
Officer down. All units be around here is closed. Clear, there should be reported there.
Stay down. Stay down.
Officer Gangler continues to take cover as the suspect is still not apprehended.
You versus the ground.
Fuck. Hey, Perez, I can't see him from here. I'm trying to get to you. Got me covered? Hey, that silver car is occupied by a random citizen, so be careful. We're in the middle of the freeway at the 610 entrance. The whole road's closed down.
Officer Gangler joins his fellow officers as the suspect still threatens them.
Kick the gun away! Don't put it in! That gun!
No, it's
He's still got his hand on it. He's trying to put the mag. No! He's trying to put it in. Get back behind me.
Yeah, back.
I got a shot right here. Don't get it!
You got a shot?
Hey, he's grabbing it! Don't grab that gun!
Both the officers and the suspect are now exchanging fire at each other. The shootout continues on.
I was stuck up there, dude.
One more in the car moving!
Got fire, 4 seconds down.
One more in the car.
So the silver car is occupied by a guy. The white car, I think, that's the suspect car. I think there's one more in there.
Okay. Was he occupied multiple times?
I think there's two.
Is he good? Go check on your partner, please.
Gibson, how we doing, bud?
Cut my car off.
In this angle, we can see the incident from Officer Perez's body cam.
10-11 contact.
We need multiple units out here. The entire freeway will be closed. Don't need to stop.
Without hesitation, Officer Perez fires shots at the suspect as soon as he arrives on scene.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
In the car! In the car! Shot fire! Hey! Hey, get him!
Hey, it's right there!
He continues to shoot at the suspect as his fellow officers take cover behind other cars nearby.
I got one suspect down. He's still moving. He's still moving. You okay?
Clear,
okay?
officer down, all units being route, area's closed.
Walk back, run back there. Run back there.
Clear, 1934 is clear. 1903,
Hey!
Midwest unit, check 5.
He's down. He's down.
We're checking, sir. Good down. Clear.
Hey, stop moving.
This isn't wrong. Gotcha, hang on.
Stand right. Get out of the way.
Thanks, Runner, get it, fly. Just gonna have a left.
Officer Perez is persistent in getting the suspect to surrender as he continues to point his gun at the suspect.
Stop moving.
We're still taking shots.
Suspect's down. He's still moving around.
Perez confirmed the suspect is now down despite still moving around.
Still moving, 1013. Can you have status of the officer? How's Gibson? You missed it in route.
can't see him from here. I'm trying to get to you. Got me covered?
Yeah, you're good, gang. Come around on the side.
That silver car is occupied by a random citizen.
He's on the ground over here. Come up. Stop moving!
Middle of the freeway at the 610 entrance.
He's on this side. He's on that side right
road's closed
there.
down.
He's on the side right there.
Get out!
Watch his hands.
He still got some. He's got a man. No! We need HFD to the location. What's the status?
HFD's in round.
Hit the gun away!
Take the device.
Don't put it in! It's not good!
Oh shoot.
He's trying to put the mag inside. No! He's trying to put it in. Take cover. Don't get it! Hey, he's grabbing it! Don't get that gun! He's fine.
Yeah, you're good.
The car moving! G13, shots fired, suspect is down.
Suspect is down. 10-15. Shots fired.
It was occupied multiple times?
I think there's two.
Is he good? Go check on your partner, dude.
Hey, guy in the car is sticking his hand up. Silver car.
Silver car? Okay. The suspect car is the white Honda Accord. Okay. So the gray car is going to be civilian.
We wait for more.
Yeah.
We wait for more. Let's sit down. You hold him. I got it. Hold the car.
Yeah, I got car. But I don't want to pass up the Honda Accord. Okay, let's call out Honda Accord.
Honda Accord right here?
Yeah.
Who's in Honda Accord?
I don't know. I don't know if it was occupied multiple times or not.
The officer gets us, he's here with this rule 59, so we need to.
HFD's in round for both the officer and the suspect.
The one,
No.
the shop is Gangler and his partner.
No.
Right here, this one. The white car is a stolen. Stop. The white car is not clear. It's the suspect car.
Get back over there!
Units are still in round. Y'all coming from
He's down.
Hold on. Hey, the white car is the suspect car. It's not clear.
There's somebody in here.
I'm on the other side of the freeway.
The gray car.
Clear that car.
Y'all guys
Go up to this car.
Is that our suspect? In that other car?
No. Gray car is civilian. White car is suspect.
Two guys.
I don't know
keep
who.
eyes on here. We're gonna clear the white car.
Oh, let's call him out first.
Call out
Okay.
this one first, Sarge.
Okay.
That one, right? Yeah,
Okay.
come on.
What?
Come on out.
Somebody.
Hey, call him out. Out of the car. Step out of the vehicle.
That's the citizen, right?
Citizen.
Come on.
Move out. Move this way.
Hey, that white car.
White car.
White car.
The white car is the suspect car. So we make sure we clear the car first.
Clear the white car.
Let's clear the white car.
Hey, move up that way.
Keep going. Hey, just watch the oil. It's slippery. I already busted my ass.
Hey, listen, I'm gonna move up.
Yeah, you're good.
Vehicle on the suspect. Everybody else clear the car.
Got you. Heard.
Slow.
Hey, stay right there.
Move up slow. I got the suspect. We clear the car. Okay?
Got it.
Nice to see you. HFD might have to come from southbound lanes with you, right? I don't think they're going to be able to get through the
Come on, move up with him.
Anybody in the white car, your hands up.
Anyone else inside the vehicle, keep your hands up.
Hey, we can't see on this side.
We can't get in the vehicle.
Hey, I'm gonna come behind you guys. We're clear from this side.
Clear. We're relaying the information for HFD to go through the southbound
Hey,
lane.
watch your car. Watch your car.
Northbound lanes are shut down.
They got that.
I got you right here.
Officer Perez, along with the other officers, were now able to arrest the suspect after that grueling shootout.
Car's clear.
Can we get down there in vehicle?
Car's clear. Car's clear. Car's clear. Well, that's not a suspect car. Just. He's down. He's down. Yeah.
However, it was discovered that the suspect was shot dead by the officers.
All right, two guys, hands. Pull his hands. Look like he's still moving.
Yeah, I got a bunch of blood on me.
Hey, what about these kids? All right, check on that other car. Check on the other car.
Where's the officer? Where's the officer at?
They got hit. Gibson, he's back there. Gibson's back there.
Yeah, we have the suspect in custody. The advisory should be they may have to come on the outbound side and jump over the barrier.
He said. Yeah.
Hold on, I have an agent coming in. K-19, for some citizens that were involved in the accident.
I got blood on my hands already.
This is my blood.
K-19, that's clear. One copy at 1019.
Are you able to move off to 2-8-15? Stand by, we'll find out.
Yeah, he's in the back. I don't know. He fell.